Here we got a 2021 Chevy Malibu. I believe it is the Platinum or Pristine Edition, Premier Edition. It's got the 2-liter turbo motor in it. This car is absolutely huge. I basically think it's the biggest sized full-size vehicle GM makes now. I think it's based on the Cadillac platform. Designing is just beautiful. Looks almost identical to the Impala, the older Impala. It's a 2020 again. There's only 29,000 kilometers on it. Oh, it was a little dirty motor. 2-liter turbo Ecotech. A tiny little motor in here, but the power on this vehicle is phenomenal. Take you for a ride shortly in it. Let me just block off this plate. Yeah, front end designing this car is absolutely gorgeous. Big fan of it. And yeah, let's take it out for a spin. Trunk is absolutely massive. Interior. Those are all our spare goodies. Oh no, no spare tire. Well, it's safety kit, but no spare tire. Maybe that was used already. Maybe somebody stole that. Again, I'm starting to love with the new vehicles, the pull down releases from the front or from the back, so you don't have to actually go around the car to pull the seats down. But just absolutely lovely interior, fully split back seats. Interior is absolutely gorgeous. Full, huge moonroof. Leather stitched detailing on the panels. Bose sound system, of course. Nice Chevrolet badge, and that's fine. It's very comfortable, extremely comfortable car to drive, and not a bad looker either. Let me steal my plate covers back here. Starting to get inventive now. There we go. Maybe I should get my own plates one day. See what happens. Okay, let's get it on. Push button start. Lots of beeping, lots of chiming. There I am. Huge moonroof. I'm going to close this up just so I don't get any weird sun angles here. Again, interior is absolutely gorgeous. Navigation. Let's take it for a spin. I've had it for 2 days. What do we got here? We got 4 economy trend. Better for 3 days. Trip B, 351 kilometers, averaging 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers. That's not the greatest, but not too bad. This little motor is the little engine that could. It's another one of these. Nav card has been removed. Navigation still works perfectly. I don't know why. Yeah, don't understand that one. This vehicle's got heated and cooled seats. You know, we're getting it's a nice day in the middle of November here, but sitting in the Home Depot parking lot. I'm going to try the cooled seats just because, I mean, that's what I like to do. Okay, now navigation is not setting up. I believe it's one of these where you got to stop, put it in park, hit the navigation button. It's a little annoying. It was just working, so Okay, come on. Somebody come behind me now. So, navigation fail. There you go. Good job, Jim. I can't stick on the stereo. I'll probably get pulled from YouTube, which is great. I'm realizing though one of the issues already with this vehicle at 29,923 kilometers, the bushings are already squeaking in the front end. I get all the time already with it. Probably can't hear it. The audio isn't the greatest on this my GoPro here, but we'll figure that out another day. Maybe that's a recall issue, or you never know. This car comes with absolutely everything, except I thought it was very odd. There's no auto start or auto stop. I guess the fuel efficiency is that great where it doesn't need to start or stop. There's no trunk release from inside the vehicle. I mean, we got collision detection, we have lane assist, we have reverse camera, backup sensors, front sensors, which is very nice to have, especially when you're pulling into tight corners or in a mall. Yeah, it's also a very nice feature. Lane assist, I already said. Heated steering wheel, cooled seats, heated seats and cooled seats. Navigation, which seems to not be working. It had said this SD card was removed before. I still pressed OK, accepted it, and it did give me navigation. I'm going to try up here once I stop. A lot of the things don't let you do anything while you're driving, but pressing navigation should set it up. I don't understand why. Maybe it's because my phone is not connected, which is in the back. But, does have internet. It's connected to mine, but the vehicle says that it has to have 4G LTE Wi-Fi available. Not going to try to access that right now. What else? Automatic lights, which is nice. You don't have to waste your time turning the lights on. You always know they're on. Yeah, the car's very, very comfortable to drive. Suspension's a little stiffer than I would have liked it to be. I'm assuming the Cadillac big brother or big sister of this vehicle is a little more comfortable. Possibly has maybe some air ride attached to it. But the handling and performance of this vehicle, I guess, definitely helps. The stiff suspension, I would assume, definitely is what's helping the performance of this vehicle. Dual climate control, so my partner can be sitting nice and hot or nice and cool, and I can be the exact opposite or the same, whatever the case is. What else we got? Not really liking this Chevy thing with the fan adjustment, the little fan and the big fan. I like the plus and the minus, or at least have them opposite of each other. The switches were nice. Again, I'm worried about once these vehicles turn a little, 8 years, 5 years, well, with fact with domestic turnaround with these cars. We're lucky if we get 3-4 years before electrical problems most of the time in domestic vehicles. Turn down a little bit here. Got our friendly neighborhood police officers. we won't be doing an acceleration test right here. And if we do, we'll be accelerating to 8 kilometers over. No, I think we're going to go down. Going to go down one of the back streets. But yeah, this car is very surprised. I mean, I know all new cars are supposed to be at the top of their game, especially for each builder. But again, worried about the longevity of a domestic vehicle. Is half of my issue here. And the price point of this car too. Sure, it's not cheap. Oh, flash. How much it is? Right around here. It's a little tiny mirror too, which I find was funny. The mirror can't be more than 8 inches, which is barely enough to get the whole view of the rear window. Dash configuration is fairly standard. It's not as nice as some of the vehicles, like the new Mazda are very nice, very futuristic. These kind of feel like, you know, they're starting to look all the same. Again, the options on this car are phenomenal. And the stereo, I can give you a couple seconds of stereo here. That'll get me kicked off YouTube probably. Maybe not. But the actual subwoofer I find takes over a little bit. Adjustability is pretty good. I wasn't able to hook, I don't know why, hook my Bluetooth up to listen to some podcasts or listen to some music off of YouTube there, or my phone. So I thought that was quite odd. It could just be the age of my phone or the issues this vehicle's having right now with the navigation not hooking up. Unsure about that. Not a big deal. I'm sure that could be either a software update or a little glitch somewhere. Maybe I'm not figuring out the setups on it yet. As for drivability, again, extremely comfortable. The vehicle doesn't feel as big as it actually is, which is surprising. Because this is a full-size. I mean, we do have, it is a limo in the back there. There's more room in the rear of the vehicle than in the front, pretty much. Besides that, fuel mileage not too bad. I was a little heavy on it on the highway, so could be half of my issues with the gas. But again, through the whole city, 400 kilometers, full tank. We'll see, well, 3/4 of a tank. We'll see exactly how many kilometers it takes to empty it. Or maybe not. Again, I've only had the vehicle for 3 days. In 3 days, you can only do so much. But besides that, yeah, this car is fairly lovely. I'm still not. Oh, there I am. Still not really liking the yellow lights in the vanity mirrors. All the other light bulbs are 5,000 K LEDs. There's lights underneath the dash here. Lights up very well at night. And the headlights at night are absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful car to drive at night. Of course I don't have footage of that, but maybe I'll find some. Yeah, I'm just going to do a quick acceleration test here. If I get a... No, I don't even need advanced screen, but it would have been nice. This car again is ridiculously fast. And we're just dealing with people who don't care. Coming up in a school zone here, so I won't be doing this now. Get out of this area, down the street, and do a quick speed test, and then give this baby back. Color's really nice in this car too. There's not many red vehicles that I like, or maroon vehicles, but this vehicle is a little nicer. There is crash detection. That's what that reflection is in the mirror there. I'm surprised they have that, but there's no holographic or heads-up display dash. I did notice a couple of times going over a railroad track that the crash indicator came on. It's fairly loud, right in your face. Maybe a railroad glitch or something. I'm not sure how it picks that up. It did not attempt to brake for me. Not really brave enough to test those guys out yet. See if I could come in on a vehicle. Come up on a vehicle pretty fast, preparation for braking, see if the car will actually brake for me. We'll maybe do that test once my insurance decides they're going to play the same game that they should be playing. I don't even know what that means. And I'm not going to edit it because we don't edit here. Unless I say something absolutely ridiculous like this. Boop, 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 boop. Insert garbage here. Caravaggio. All right. Was a hard 90-degree corner, about 40 kilometers an hour. I'm sure you can go back and look at that video there. Car has beautiful roll, or little to no roll. I mean, sorry for what it is. Dream to drive. Be nice to have my own music on soon. Well, we'll see. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, what else can I say about this car? Very odd that there's no button to open the trunk. I do have to use the keys. I have to use the fob to open it when I'm in park. No go on the fly trunk opening here. Let's see what gap we got. A little Mitsubishi. It's supposed to be 0 to stop. From stop to 80, 100. Depending on what this Mitsubishi, if he ever decides he's going to go anywhere. Extremely fast. Well, definitely losing my license there if I get caught. Yeah, I don't know what the specs are for this vehicle, but a second gear, that turbo spool, when it unleashes, it's very little things I'm impressed by. especially with these little, these smaller Japanese style turbo motors. But wow, wow, the pull in second gear, the turbo after you hit that turbo spool unleashing is just phenomenal. Again, all around handling, fuel consumption, acceleration. This car is absolutely a dream. It's nimble for a full-size vehicle. Be playing too many tricks here in school zones, but yeah, for a full-size vehicle, this thing really does handle like a sports car. I don't know. I'm sure Premier is just the trim package. Unsure again if this vehicle comes with a bigger motor or just a 2-liter in it. Maybe the base model does. Probably comes with a V6 also, maybe a 3.5, 3.8. I'm not sure if there's an SS. I don't really know. Didn't know much about this car. I thought originally it was a Impala. It looks exactly like an Impala, so I would have assumed. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna sign off here. Oh, it's a nice little roll off. That's exciting. Oh, that is very exciting. See you guys next time. Subscribe, like, do whatever the heck you want to do. Have fun. Not too much fun, though. We gotta save some of the fun for the rest of us. Later.